In Arizona, our schools are primarily funded by local property taxes. The state legislature has drastically cut school capital funding, which districts use to build new schools, maintenance and repairs, transportation, and more. Litchfield Elementary School District was recently ranked in the top 10 districts in the state and is projected to see population growth by more than 2,000 homes in the next 3 to 5 years. In order to maintain our A rating and keep class sizes small, LASD has chosen a fiscally responsible approach to managing our growing student population. A capital bond is the least expensive way to support unavoidable school construction and improvements. In the last decade, the state has intentionally stopped paying its share for education, forcing nearly every school district in the state to fund their education needs through locally funded sources like a capital bond. LASD has among the lowest administrative costs in the valley, despite the fact that our state has not contributed to the cost of any school construction in more than 5 years. Our excellent schools are a driving force behind our community's success. By supporting this bond, we not only show our commitment to educational excellence, we also protect our property values and reduce crime. Excellent schools benefit everyone in our community, even if you do not have students in our schools. Good schools are good business. They attract employers and high-paying jobs. They strengthen the local economy and enhance property values. Your yes vote will provide necessary funds to build a new elementary school in the district to alleviate overcrowding, allow additional construction and remodeling to our older campuses, add safety and security enhancements at each school campus, 25 new buses, and a larger LASD transportation warehouse. Vote yes, because every strong community requires strong schools. Ballots will begin arriving in your mailboxes October 9th. Make sure you mark it and mail it by October 31st and help us continue the quality. By the way, no school district dollars were spent on creating this video. I found a way to help our schools. You can too by sharing this message on social media.